everyone, it's Nails by Iris here, and in today's video we are going to be opening up some nail mail. This is the second month that I've received a package in the mail from House of Supplies. It's pretty much a nail subscription box. You pay $12.99 for it and you get a bunch of random items that can be used for regular polish, gel polish, or acrylics. I personally do gel and acrylics, so I'm super excited. So stay tuned if you want to see what's in here. The first things I pulled out were these 3 little individual containers. This one has pink, orange, and yellow iridescent boats in it. The next one has purple iridescent hearts that are outlined. And the third one has gold metal stars that are also outlined. These are all pretty cool. I already had some boats, but I haven't gotten any hearts or stars before, so I'm excited to use all of these in my next acrylic set. I was so excited when I pulled these out. These are gold shimmery stickers of brands, and they've been really trending lately on TikTok and Instagram, so I'm super excited to be able to use these on my own nails as well as other people's nails that I do. The last things that I pulled out of the box were 12 different colored foil flakes. These are really cool when you encapsulate them in clear acrylic. They are super shiny and really catch your eyes. I was pleasantly surprised by this box. I think that I like it more than I did for last month's box, and I'm excited to see what I get in the mail next month. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you next time.